No, an Evo. Damn. I wonder if you guys heard that. If not, well, shit, that sucks. But anyways, let's get started, shall we? Let's go be reckless. Okay, I'm ready. And we're gone. Gonna go right around the city, I guess, or the village. And if I do find somewhere to be reckless, then you know what's gonna go happen. You know what's gonna happen. Microphone right now, so hopefully the audio is good. Otherwise I really wouldn't know what to do, because this is probably the best I can do. It's good. Hey, yo, what the dog doing? Okay, I see somewhere to be reckless. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Okay, let me stop and angle my camera again, and then we'll go. Okay, let's go. Damn, this bike handled it way better than I thought it would. Damn, that's good. Do more reckless shit. There we go. Women drivers, no survivors. What can I say? I'm not surprised. This looks like fun. Yeah, hell yeah. Oh shit! Nah, this is too much, man. Too much. Too much. Okay, that was nice. Pushing a street bike where it's not supposed to go. Man, I should have worn a long sleeve shirt or something. Shit. Yep, definitely should have. Okay, whatever. I'm already in it. You know, I didn't even look at the camera angle to see if it's any good. But anyways, yeah, let's take it to the grass one more time. One more time for good luck. I like how I ride in here, like if I know the ground, but in reality I don't know shit. I could literally fall inside of a pothole or something in there and just eat shit. But anyways, there's only one way you will learn, and that's the only way I know. One more time in the grass, one more time. I need to get it out of my system. Just one more. One more time. Let's go. Keep in mind this bike suspension sucks. But at the same time, hey, I love it. That looks tempting. Maybe next time. The dog hates me, bro. The dogs hate me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Holy shit. Holy shit. And that's exactly what I mean by when I say that I'm not familiar with this territory. Now that happens. I don't know if I broke anything. I don't think so. I don't think so. I know for a fact I definitely got myself dirty. Dirty as ever. probably dirtier than a Pornhub video right now. Nah, everything's fine. I think it's fine. Let's go. The dogs are waiting for me. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey! Aha! Okay. Simple problem call for simple solutions. We fixed it. Let's go! Hey yo! Let's pause for one moment and see how we're looking. Because I know I'm looking hella dirty. It's okay, it's okay. Might have damaged this a little bit. This can come off, yeah? Ah, let's turn it into even more of a friggin' naked bike. Take the back piece off. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Yep, I broke it. I broke it. Well, it's not like it's the only piece of the bike that's broken anyways. So I'm happy with that shit. I think it's time to go home. I need to clean my shoes, my pants, everything. I need to clean everything. Yep, let's go home. Hopefully this makes it into a video because I am really happy with this. I had a hell of a lot of fun. Even though the bike basically has 0 to no suspension. So I felt everything. And the GoPro was probably flying around on my head because it keeps sliding down my forehead. So we'll see if the clips are any good. If they are, then this will make it into a video because I am having so much fun. So much fun. Okay, let's get home. You know, let me clean the tire first. Let me clean the rear tire. Yeah, let me stop and clean the rear tire. Okay, now we're good to go. Yep, good to go now. Heading home. Someone is leaking all over the street, damn. Okay, yep. And we're off. If this makes it into a video, hope you like and subscribe, and well, I'll catch you in the next one. As you can see, my channel isn't only about making car content. So, peace out, fellas. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully soon. No promises though.